Hi Drasto Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Cocomelon logo, so let's get started. To draw this cute watermelon TV, let's first start by drawing a big curve right across here on the top. So I'm just going to come right here and just draw a shallow curve right across. So now that we're about the same level, I'm going to go ahead and bring it down. And so we're just creating the watermelon shape, which is kind of like a very rounded off rectangle. So just do the same thing all the way on this side. Just nice and round, and let's bring it in. So just round it off at the bottom. And connect at the bottom with another shallow curve. So it's a little bit straighter at the bottom. And connect. There. So just your basic kind of rounded off rectangle or square. Okay, from there we're going to come inside and draw the screen part. So say about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw another curve right in the center, kind of following the top. And then once again, I'm going to round it off, follow my outside shape, and do the same thing over here. So round it off, follow your outside, and then once again round off this corner and connect. There, so we have the screen in. Now before we put a face in here, let's come back to the top and we're going to draw a big curve right here in the center. So one big curve right in the center. And then we're going to draw the antenna. So about right here, I'm going to go with the first one, which is just a curve, a little wobble out. And then right here, let's draw a circle. And same thing over here. This side's going to go a little bit more wobbly. I'm going to go up higher. And then this circle right here is a little bit bigger. And I'll just come in here really quickly and just thicken this up. So right here it's a little bit thicker. And it comes in. And same thing over here. Just a little bit thicker at the top. And it comes in. There, so we have our antenna in, and then now to draw the face and make it extra cute. So right in this area in the center, I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle. So I'm making these draw so cute eyes, but if you don't want them to be draw so cute eyes, they're just kind of like an oval with a circle for a highlight. So I come right here, draw another one by in this area. There. So to make them draw so cute eyes, let's come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So like I said, if you don't want these eyes, just draw a big oval in this area. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. But since I'm drawing them, I decided to put draw so cute eyes on them, of course, right? Okay, so now we have the eyes in. I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then right in this area right here, kind of off to the side a little bit, I'm going to draw a little curve for the nose. Kind of like a little slant. I'll just come in here and thicken this up. There. And then for the smile. So right underneath, right here, I'm going to come down and just draw this curve that goes up a little bit more and then cap it off. And I'll just go ahead and thicken this all up. Now that the face is done, all we have left are the stripes on the watermelon. So I'm going to go ahead and draw them right here very lightly just to show you. So let's start with the first one. It's going to be off on the side right here. And let's come in with a curve. And just imagine it coming through, around, and it's going to come right out here. So if you don't want this dark line on your stripe, definitely just use your dark green marker to draw this. But I just wanted to show you how you would draw your stripes, and it's going to get thinner as we come down. So that's the first stripe, and then let's keep going. So let's say about right here, we'll start another one, and once again it's at a curve and it's thinner at the top. And so just imagine this coming down, so just come straight down right here, and we're going to draw the other side. And once again it's going to curve and get thinner at the bottom. There. So I'm going to go and work on this side now so that I don't run into problems now, so that's nice and even. So I'll come on this side now and do the same thing. And once again, follow my curve all the way down. And in. So right here it's going to pop out. And then one right here as well, just like the other side. And let's just bring this down. And there, about right here. And so then now we have one more. So slightly off to the center, so say about right here. Once again with a curve. This is a little bit straighter. Bring this down. Then curve. And curve. There. Approximate. And so now that it looks confusing because it's not colored in, but those are the stripes, and hopefully that helps. And let's see here. I'm going to bring this up a tiny bit more than now that I'm looking at my smile. Let's make it a little bit deeper. And my eyes maybe a little bit taller. Let's see if that looks better. I feel like maybe they're too round. So maybe make it a taller eye, like just like the original eye on the Cocomelon logo. So they're all done. I really hope I helped you draw this Cocomelon logo. Draw so cute style, of course. And thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.